The ARB Air Locker is now well recognised worldwide as one of the most proactive traction aids for automotive differentials. Actuated by compressed air and 100% controlled by professional in-cab switches, an ARB Air Locker provides switchable control between standard open differential action and maximised fully locked cross differential traction. Used worldwide in all forms of four-wheel drive motorsport, an ARB Air Locker will drastically improve the traction, handling, safety and capability of any off-road vehicle. Now, without getting overly technical, let's have a quick look at just how the ARB Air Locker transforms and maximises a vehicle's drivability. This Australian spec Nissan GU Patrol has been fitted with front and rear ARB Air Lockers. To demonstrate the profound difference that the ARB Air Locker provides, we deliberately put it through some controlled obstacles. Approaching this simple rise on an angle and without the ARB Air Lockers engaged, traction is quickly lost, halting forward momentum. This is caused by the differential acting in an unlocked or open capacity, which allows the motive or driving force of the vehicle to be wasted through the route of less resistance. So with the tyres that have the least amount of traction simply spinning, there is no forward momentum. Engaging the ARB Air Lockers ensures 100% that motive force is provided equally to both axles and hence both tyres. This massive improvement in ability allows the vehicle to then drive the exact same line and obstacle with no increase in momentum. Ultimately, the ARB Air Locker has maximised the traction of the vehicle, minimised the damage to the track surface, minimised the stress on the vehicle itself, and safely and sure-footedly carried its occupants over the obstacle, and all at the flick of a switch. Even on a more extreme obstacle like this hill, the steep uneven slope quickly allows the open diffs to spin. Engaging the ARB Air Lockers, even mid-climb, provides safe and controllable traction and forward progress.
So as you can see, a diff lock or front and rear diff locks drastically change the drivability of the vehicle. Now, it's also a safety issue. One thing when you come out, if you're driving in a situation like this, if you want to have fun, turn the diff locks off, drive as we have, see where you can get without diff locks, put the diff locks on and then drive through. Minimise degradation to the tracks, minimise the impact the four-wheel drives have on the tracks. Now, if you're talking about driving with the family or you're talking about getting to a destination, you come up on an obstacle like this, not a play area, but an obstacle like this, and you need to get up that obstacle. Select the air lockers before you head up and drive straight up. So let's have a look now with the air lockers on, how easy this is. One simple drive.
Your vehicle, your terrain, any obstacle. An ARB Air Locker will transform your vehicle, providing 100% switchable control, maximised traction, increased off-road ability and safe and controlled drivability. Don't be held back. The ARB Air Locker will take you further.